locking 2 up today, so
Oh
I
shit.
got a meeting in 11 minutes. I'm about to fuck. If this person answers,
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Tyler just speaks it into existence, bro.
Fucking Tyler.
hey, bro,
Now
you just got to do it.
you got it.
That's why I tell everyone, like, I literally go into every call, like, I'm the best closer in the fucking world. Like, RJ Bates sucks. I'm way better than him, and like that's literally how I go into this shit. Um, and like so, a couple other here's my mindset in these calls or going into calls is, well, first off, I'm the best closer in the world, and then secondly, when you don't want to call or get scared, like a couple things I think of is I wonder how many shitty wholesalers called this person and I'm about to stand out like crazy. And also I think about they're just another person. So much mindset. Like
Yeah, that is
that's
one thing I have to work on because I do get that little fear like, oh shit, what if I fuck up? And now it's like I got Tyler and Caesar, which are, you know.
just think of literally all these shitty so garbage. Like
hmm
literally watching it. And so when you do watch that, that helps your mindset too. Cause I think of them people. I'm like, bro, I bet that dude called him and like he's trash. And I need to call this person because I don't want him to call and somehow fucking lock something
Get
up.
the deal. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn it. I only have 9. All right. Let me try. My calls are 8 minutes. I got an extra minute. Let me see if this dude answers.
Hello?
Hey, David, this is Tyler Osborne. We was playing phone tag earlier a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I was just calling you because I'd seen at one point looked like you were trying to sell your place on Madison. Didn't know if you still were.
Yeah, I haven't sold yet. I haven't tried to sell. I got
Okay, awesome. Sound like me. Everything's for sale. Okay, well, what were you looking to get for it? I mean, what would make you sell it? I guess.
well, it's been sitting empty. Nobody's been living in it.
Okay. So it's just been a pain, and you're paying taxes, and it's just
Yeah.
sitting there. Yep. Okay. So it sounds like a little bit of a headache. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, what were you looking to get for it?
I wanted to get 150 out of it. But he's a
100.
little bit good, and I was wanting, you know.
Okay. And I mean, so it's vacant now. I mean, which is obviously a headache, but as far as the property itself, I mean, what all needs done to it, or does anything, or I'm assuming some.
Yeah, well, I got a new furnace in, and that's weird. Got a new roof on last year. It needs got a place where it was leaking, and thing a little patch put in there. It needs I want to put a kitchen floor in it. Probably put a refrigerator and stove in it.
Okay. I mean, like foundation's good and electrical and plumbing and
Yeah.
okay, awesome. Um, let's see here. So, as far as the number on rehab, what would you say I'd have to put into this?
Something wouldn't take a whole lot.
Okay.
A kitchen floor on the one it costs.
Let's see here. Okay, did you have this rented before? I'm guessing at one point.
At one point, yeah, then I quit renting it. Got water damage. The insurance covered all, and they fixed it all up. And then my son lived in it. When he come back to Florida, he found him a place down there. He lived in it for a year or two. And it's been sitting empty since then.
Okay. I mean, have you been over there in it, or could it maybe possibly be there's more work?
There might be a little more. I don't know. I really can't remember.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not then I can't be able to do nothing, and I can't.
Yeah. Okay, so 171. So I mean, say we could come to an agreement today. Are you just trying to get this done as soon as possible so you can quit paying on the taxes and insurance, or you gotta?
I'll just when I get down, I'll finally have this all fixed up ready to go this by the summer. So,
Oh, okay. So you were gonna. I mean, what?
when I get what I want out of it, I sell it.
Yeah. So I mean, what was your plan? To flip it or fix it and rent it, or?
It's a headache renting them people.
Oh yeah, definitely. And taxes and insurance definitely aren't cheap, and they keep going up. So I totally understand that. Well, let's see here. So I mean, once I fix it up, what's your opinion on what it would be worth?
Yeah, around here, don't think what hurts is on a cross, please. What hurts it? But the house is going. One right behind me here. It's 3-bedroom where I live. It's 3-bedroom, and it sold for 180.
Okay, so you're probably yours. What 160, 165?
I was thinking 150, 160.
Okay. And you're wanting 150?
Yeah, way it is. I think 150.
Okay, but you think if I fixed it up, it'd be 160?
Well, around here, right in the corner from it, ain't much of a house. It's 2-bedroom. They're really small. The basement's not a full basement. You get stuck in a little bit. It's over like I think 220.
Yeah.
It's right. The backyard is right there next to there. It's got a big lot. It's got a big lot. It's got a big, nice 2-car garage.
Yeah, but I mean, if I, it's going to be worth 160. It probably needs 20,000 in repairs. If I pay you 150, I'm negative. You know what I mean? And I'm going to have other costs associated with this as well. And so yeah, let me just I guess kind of tell you more about those numbers. So let's say it's going to be worth 160. We'll put 20,000 in repairs. If I give you 150, I'm actually negative 30,000 day one. Because closing cost, holding cost, all that jazz. So let me see here. Yeah, and plus, I mean, here, I'm basically trying to inherit your problems, which they're going to be problems for me too, but I'm willing to tackle them. But obviously, it has to be worth it for me. And like I said, the 150, I'm negative 30, so obviously, I'd have to be under that. Is that you get what I'm saying? I mean, so it's worth 160. I give you, there's 20,000 repairs. That automatically puts me at 140, and that don't count any holding costs, closing costs, or profit. So I mean, I'm automatically in the hole.
Yeah, well, you don't want to get that.
Yeah, I definitely don't want to be in the hole. I mean, is that your firm number where you at? You're just going to, you want to deal with the headache and all that, or I mean, what do you?
Get going here.
Okay.
A lot of stuff. Get the floor put down in. That ain't much.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, David, I appreciate your time and stuff, but I think we're probably just too far off here. Yeah. So, like I said, I appreciate your time, and have a good day. Thanks. I needed that at 80.